Okay, this is today's lesson. On my last birthday, we will start with completing the missing words in this text. My birthday is on the 24th of March. On my last birthday, I had a big party. My friends arrived at 4 o'clock. They gave me lots of what are these? Okay, these are presents. Okay, so I'm going to write it here. Presents and cards. We ate. What's this? This is a pizza, yeah? Yes, pizza. Okay, so I'm going to write it. Pizza and chips and drank cola. Then my mom brought in my birthday what? Cake. Yes, cake. I blew out the candles and everyone sang happy birthday. Later, my dad played music and we all danced in the past because we're talking about last birthday. Okay, so it's the past. It was a great birthday. Okay, so that's it. Now let's listen.
My birthday is on the 24th of March. On my last birthday, I had a big party. My friends arrived at 4 o'clock. They gave me lots of presents and cards. We ate pizza and chips and drank cola. Then my mum brought in my birthday cake. I blew out the candles and everyone sang happy birthday. Later, my dad played music and we all danced. It was a great birthday. Bye, Daisy.
It was a great birthday. Okay, so now complete the sentences with and or but. Everyone had cola, but I had just water. Okay, so I'm different than them. Okay, so but I had just water. Do you want meat? Vegetables on your pizza? Okay, so here I'm offering choices. Okay, do you want meat on your pizza or vegetables on your pizza? Okay, so should use or. We danced, sang. Okay, so here we have two actions. We did both of them, so and. We danced and sang songs at the party. She wants to buy a pink dress and pink shoes. Okay, so this is a combination between two pieces of clothes. Okay, so pink dress and pink shoes. Okay, so and it rained. We still had a good time. Okay, so even it rained, we still had a good time. So but it rained, but we still had a good time. Is your birthday on Friday? I don't know. Is it on Friday or Saturday? Friday or Saturday. Sam, Sally. Okay, so here we have two people, so we should use and. Sam and Sally were at the party too. I didn't like the burgers. I didn't like burgers, but I liked the cake. But the cake was yummy. Oh, delicious. Yummy. Okay, so here, talk with your friends, then write about your last birthday. Okay, so every one of you, all of you, I want you to write about your last birthday. What happened? If you want to read this example, you can. Okay, so listen to it.
My birthday is on the 24th of March. On my last birthday, I had a big party. My friends arrived at 5 o'clock. They gave me lots of presents and cards. We ate burgers and chips and drank cola. Then my dad brought in my birthday cake. I blew out the candles and everyone sang happy birthday. Later, my brother played music and we all danced. It was a great birthday.
Okay, so if you want to talk about your birthday, you must tell us the date, okay? And uh, was it a big party or just a small party? Who attended your birthday? Okay, maybe your friends or cousins or I don't know. Okay, so you can just tell us the people who attended your party. Maybe also your classmates, students who are studying with you in the same class or in the same school. Okay, so okay, when the party starts, maybe 5 o'clock, they arrived, your friends arrived, okay? They give me lots of presents if they to you, if they brought presents to you, you should mention that. We ate burgers, okay, so what did you eat in your last birthday? And what did you drink? Okay, what about your dad or your parents? What did they bring you? Okay, did they give you some presents too or not? Okay, then you can tell us what happened next. Okay, so at the end, you can say if it was a great birthday, if you liked it or not. Okay, so you can say something like great or amazing or not great. Okay, so you can say whatever you want. Okay, then let's move. And we have a song. Okay, so you can just watch it and listen to it and sing with it. Sing.
January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months of the year.
Okay, that's it. If you want to memorize the months, you can just memorize this song. Okay, what month is it now? What month is it now? Okay, we are in April. Okay, so this month is April. What month is it next month? Next month, okay? Next month is May. May. This month is April. Next month is May or will be May. Which month is your birthday in? Your birthday, okay? Tell me. For me, my birthday is in October. Okay, what about you? What's your favorite month? My favorite month is August. Why? Because it's in summer. I love the sun. I like swimming, going to the beach. Okay, that's why. What months are a holiday months? A holiday, vacation holiday months, where when there is no school and no work. Holiday months. Okay, so the holiday months are in the summer. Okay, so July and August. Okay, July and August. What months are school months? Okay, the months when do you go to school? The school months are September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. Which months are cold in your country? Okay, here in Morocco, it's cold in December and in January. Don't you think so? Yes, it's so cold in December and in January and also in February. Which months are hot in your country? Yes, the summer months. Okay, so they are in July and August. Okay, July and August are so hot. Thank you very much for your listening and see you in another class. Goodbye.